Hello, my name is Arvin Basirnanda. I'm from 12 Science 2. Definition of discussion text. Discussion is a process of finding common ground between two different talks, views or opinions, and discussion text can be defined. Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre used to present at least two points of view about an issue. General structure of discussion text. Issue. Starting the issue which is to discuss it. Argument pro. Presenting the point in supporting the present issue. Argument cons. Presenting other points which disagree to the supporting point. And conclusion or recommendation. Starting the written recommendation of the discourse. Purpose of discussion text. To present two points of view about issue or problem. To present argument from differing points of view about issue or problem. Language feature of discussion text. Introducing category or generic participant. Using thinking. Using contrastive conjunction. However, on the other hand, but in other side, all talks. Using modalities, must, should, could, may. Using adverbial of manner, deliberately, hopefully, simple present. Examples of discussion text. Nuclear energy, advantage or disadvantage. Nuclear energy is commonly offered as an alternative of overcome the crisis of energy. The debate whether the use of nuclear energy is an appropriate choice or not has not come to an end. Some people agree with the utilization of it because of its benefits. Some others, however, disagree because of its risk to environment. Those who agree with the operation of nuclear reactor usually argue that nuclear energy is the only feasible choice to ensure the ever increasing energy needs. In the opinion, the other sources of energy, oil, coal, and liquid natural gas are not renewable and safe. While nuclear energy can be sustainable when produced in a safe way. However, people who disagree with the use of nuclear energy point out that the waste of nuclear product can completely destroy the environment and human life. A meltdown reactor, for example, usually result in the contamination of the surrounding soils and water. Take for example the surrounding soil and water. Take for example the blow up the nuclear reactor of the Chernobyl nuclear power station in Russia 20 years ago. The seriously contamination imperiled people and the environment safely. It is obvious that nuclear energy should be avoided because it really endangers the environment, but what about a less pollution energy instead of nuclear energy? Is there any alternative energy to overcome to the crisis of energy? In my opinion, nuclear energy is the best choice to overcome the crisis of energy. However, government should make sure the nuclear reactors construction and maintenance are safe. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.